pasalubong Davaoenyo, puso. Welcome and thank God it's Friday. Nandito naman tayo sa ating programang ABC Anunsyo Batas and Co-op. This is your host, Attorney Blue Ventosa. Happy Kadayawan sa inyong lahat. Kumusta po kayo dyan? So, yung hindi pa sigurong nakakauwi sa kanilang mga probinsya or sa pamamahay, ingat kayo sa biyahe ha? And please don't drink, don't drive while drinking. So, dapat mag-grab na lang kayo, mag-taxi or ano ba. So, ang ating opisina po ay nasa Ventosa Law Office, Price Road, Corner F. Torres Street. Telephone number 082-224-5720. Ang ating mobile or Viber is 0922-Ventosa or 0922-836-8672. Ang ating email is davolawyer@gmail.com and ang ating website is www.davolawyer.com. And please, like and follow na, no? And subscribe sa ating Davao Lawyer Facebook page, sa ating Davao Lawyer YouTube channel, and Davao Lawyer Instagram, and Davao Lawyer Twitter, yung X na ngayon na Blue Ventosa. So, you're watching our program, Anunsyo Batas and Co-op, or ABC nga. At meron tayong special episode ngayong gabi. Ito pong ating 2024 Kadayawan highlights dito sa Davao City. For starters, ano ba ang background ng Kadayawan? Saan ba nag-start ito? Then, it was known as the Apo Duwaling Festival. For Mount Apo, yung ating durian, and of course, ang ating waling-waling. No? And tinagdag ngayon si Davao Eagle, kaya ang ating logo ngayon ay meron na pong yung apat na photos. No? So, let's see our overlay. Ayan, meron tayong si Davao Eagle, si Waling-Waling, si Durian, at si Mount Apo. Kaya Apo, Duwaling, and ngayon Kadayawan na tayo. Okay, so again, you're watching ABC, Anunsyo Batas and Co-op. Uy, meron tayong comments. Good evening, Attorney Blue, watching from Bangkal, Davao City. Hi, Carlo, kumusta ka dyan? Kadangpang Digital. Also, please follow us there, no, sa Kadangpang Digital. I'd like to thank also yung mga isi-share nila na videos later on na mapapanood ninyo. Then, just a little backgrounder siguro sa ating Kadayawan. No? This was started every August kasi dyan po yung ating mga bountiful harvest. No? And this is to give thanks for bounty and also to celebrate indigenous traditions ng Mindanao. No? It kicks off here recently with yung parang large puzzle board daw na completed by the 11 yung deputy mayors ng ating mga tribal leaders. And yung every piece daw ng yung parang jigsaw puzzle, yung parang visual metaphor representing the intricate, colorful patterns of each tribe and illustrating their harmonious coexistence in the city. Yes, talaga, no? Mamaya we will look at the opening highlights. Davao City is really a melting pot, not only of our mga Taga-Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, but also for our tribes and our Muslim brothers and our IP brothers and sisters. So, ang nangyari daw sa ating opening highlights natin, meron tayong mga food and drinks, festival, beauty pageant, yun, yung Hiyas na Kadayawan. Meron tayong fun run, yung Iron Kid, si Ironman, yung ating tribal games and sports tournaments among others. So, siguro magandang i-mention na lang natin yung ating 11 tribes, no? So I will read for the record yung Ata, pangalawa Maguindanao, number 3 Matigsalog, number 4 Bagobo Klata, number 5 Maranao, and number 6 is Obo Manubo, number 7 is Bagobo Tagabawa, number 8 is Tausug, number 9 Sama, number 10 Iranon, and last but not the least 11 is Kagan. Siguro magandang panoorin muna natin itong short video yung sa opening ng Kadayawan natin 2024. So let's roll that video.
My fellow Dabaweños, I now declare the 39th Kadayawan Festival open!
And there you have it, the 39th Kadayawan Festival is now officially open! The top 30, we have Iyas. Number 9, Mostima Dini. Iyas. Number 3, Bagobo Tagabawa, Shiri. Iyas number 2, Chico Siones, Bagobo Lapa.
Ayan. So, we will also look the extended, no, yung ating mga highlights ng HIAS para makita natin kung sino yung mananalo. Then, maybe later on tonight or tomorrow, I will list down the names of the winners kasi hindi pa natin na-encode. But at least, mayroon lang tayong patikim, no, sa ating mga kaganapan. And of course, hindi talaga mawawala yung ating mga beauty pageants like this. And siguro alam niyo na parang nagle-level up na rin ang ating mga beauty contestants, and not only with the physical beauty but also they have their own advocacies and matatalino na rin sila, no? So magandang na-experience natin yan. They're also trying to improve every year, and iba-ibang ano rin naman, mga tribo yung nananalo. So let's look at the other HIAS of the Kadayawan highlights.
preserve our traditions, our ability to adopt while staying true to our roots is a source of great pride. Thank you. Di namin kultura, tiyak piig ka namin. Kung andin kene ko, hasta kung anda. What I am most proud of my tribe is our culture, because it's what brings us from what we are in the past and to where we are now, the present. Thank you.
Isa, kami po ang narigdagan sa managlatao. Asubang sa ko ang ranaw na atin ating kami. Shukran. I am proud to say to everyone, the Maranao people, you always and surely stand on our beliefs. Thank you.
What traditional practice or conduct from your culture that holds personal significance to you and explain why it is important.
I am always proud that Pagkobo at Kabawat tribe are hospitable and those people that love serving. They always taught me, they always teach me to always carry the torch that burns with passion and purpose. That passion and purpose to serve not just my tribe, but the rest of the 11 ethno-linguistic tribe, and to give back to the community. It talks about service, because we always believe on what Albert Schweitzer once said, that one of the purpose of the human life is to serve, to show compassion, and to have that will to help others. Thank you.
Congratulations, Diaz. Palabuan 2024 is Diaz of Calabata, J. Rose Q. Munoz.
All right. So congratulations to the winners and of course to all the participants. No? And they're all winners naman, being the representatives of their respective tribes. And aside from the mga alam natin kapag Kadayawan, marami mga traditional na mga ibang sports, no? Meron ding mga tribal games ang tawag nila na padula ni Dato. So tingnan natin kung ano yung mga highlights nitong mga tribal games na ito na naganap ngayong 2024 Kadayawan. All right. Napakasaya, no? And I would really like to commend and also give credit to our music from Maanchua, Nilianes, and YouTube channel, Andres of the Next Planet. Marami palang mga games, no, na traditional. Yung iba parang it's part of their job, no? Yung work, no? Then, meron din iba yung parang nakikita din natin na nilalaro natin like the Tug of War and yung mga, yung Mario Went to Town. So parang meron din pala doon sa kanila. And the music was really great because it combined yung tinatawag natin na sipilis na hindi sakit ha, Cebuano, Filipino at Ingles. At ganun din po yung ating lengguwahe dito sa ating programang ABC. You're still watching me, Attorney Blue Ventosa or Attorney Jose Vicente Ventosa III. And please consider like and follow our Davao Lawyer Facebook page and our Davao Lawyer YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and X. No? So you're still watching special episode ng ating 2024 Kadayawan Highlights. And we will now see yung culmination ng ating indak-indak and yung ating pamulak. We will watch this video. All right, congrats to all the winners and the participants. No? Inisa na lang to ngayong taon yung ating Indak-Indak and the Pamulak. No? That's the Floral Float Parade. And the meron tayong open categories, iba't ibang categories, and yung sayawan sa daan. And napakalaki din ng mga premyo, but maybe next year, and mas marami na rin sasali, no? And mas competitive na rin. And don't forget, kapag you're watching the replay, you could also ask the questions. Kung meron tayong questions na legal, atin pong sinasagot yan siya. And so we usually play something like this if there's a question. And pwede naman din kayo mag-PM sa aking Davao Lawyer Facebook page kapag may time tayo at na-online tayo ay sumasagot tayo ng libre din sa inyong mga tanungan. And I think that's all for now, no? Pasensya na. Medyo namamalat talaga. Sobra sigurong kain ng durian or ano pa ba yung mga kain dito sa Davao. So, for all the Davaoenos and all Filipinos, no? Magkaisa tayo kahit sa malapit-lapit na yung eleksyon at marami naman silang kaguluhan. Pero huwag tayong magpadala doon. Huwag tayong masyadong overreactive, but we'll find the good things. And in the near future, meron tayong mga programs that will see the good side of Davao and the good side of cooperatives here in our program, ABC, Anunsyo Batasan Co-op. This is your host, Attorney Blue Ventosa. See you.
Katulad ng pagsikat ng araw, nakasisiguro ka